Hello guys, welcome to the 360 Tech channel. Today we are going to be unboxing the Galaxy Z Fold 6. For those of us that are into foldables, this is the latest from the Samsung line of foldables. So follow me on this journey as we unbox this phone and see what comes with the package. So first, there's a seal on the back. We take off the seal and second one. This is the what color again? Yeah, this is the silver shadow color. So let's see how it goes. Yeah, the box is we come with USB cable. Yeah, I'm going to say Apple spoils market for everybody because they stop putting chargers. Everybody stop putting chargers, and well, it's just this in how many $1,000 or how many million naira. So, wow, wow. That aside, this looks clean and pristine. Oh, screen cover. Seems like you can also apply it as a screen guard into the phone. I'll confirm that when I'm doing the user case. There is nothing else here. So, yeah, you guys. One thing about this color is that you are prone to fingerprints smear on your phone screen. So I recommend you get a pouch. I'll be doing a video of the pouch in 2 weeks time when it comes. Uh, Very good brand of pouch. And the first thing you notice is how slim the phone is. The phone is very slim. See, it barely feels as slim. Okay, let me get my other phone. This is my other phone. This is the Pixel 7 Pro. And side by side, it is slimmer than the Pixel 7 Pro. That is amazing from Samsung. That is really amazing. This is kind of skin I'm also going to be putting on it, so I don't cover myself. So I'll be making a video of the. Okay, let's power it up. Nice AMOLED screen. The aspect ratio here is also better than it was on the Pixel 5, and the phone folded completely is so flat that some phones unfolded are the same thing inside. So here is the phone powered up. So when I'm completely set up, I will make another video showing you guys the apps and other things that come with the phone. Do this in big screen view. I agree. Hope I'm not selling my soul. Total Galaxy Android device. No, everything is backed up to the Wi-Fi network. Let me type my password. Okay, it's connected to the internet. Next. Transfer SIM from another device can here to set up later. I'll put my SIM in later. So it's getting the phone ready. P apps and data, Google account and more. Next, 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 allow. Oh, I don't want to copy. Don't copy my Google account because I log in. My apps will download automatically, so I don't have to do that. I will skip this step for now because I just want to go straight to the user interface. Or don't worry, let me just log in.